Hi everyone! In this video, we'll show you how to set up Customer Portal with additional scripts so you can add Customer Portal to your order status page. Customer Portal allows customers to make post-purchase order changes via the order status page. Let me show you how to set up and test Customer Portal in your store. We'll start by first adding the Customer Portal snippet to the order status page, and then we'll create a test order to ensure that everything is working. And don't worry, as long as Customer Portal is not enabled, you can test as many times as you need without worrying about affecting your live customers. Let's get started. In your Shopify admin, open the Cleverific Order Editor app. Then select the Customer Portal icon and go to your Customer Portal settings. Next, scroll to the Enable Customer Portal section, expand the section Copy and Add Snippet to Order Status page, and then click on the Customer Portal snippet to copy it to your computer's clipboard. Next, click on the hyperlink below titled Additional Scripts section of your order status page, which will take you to your checkout settings page. Now, scroll down to the order status page additional scripts section and simply paste the snippet into the additional scripts text box before clicking save. That's it! Installing the Customer Portal snippet is now complete. Even though Customer Portal is installed in your store, it is not yet enabled. This allows you time to test your setup and integration between Cleverific and any other Shopify apps that you might be using. Until you've enabled Customer Portal, the Edit Order button will only appear on test orders in your store. To create a test order, expand the section Create a Test Order to verify Customer Portal setup, and then click the Create a Test Order button. This will create a test order containing a few sample items from your store. Now, click on View Test Order to open the order status page for the test order. From here, you are viewing the order in your store as your customers will, and you can test any changes before you go live. If you need to confirm anything in the admin or delete the test order, you can easily find the order in your Shopify order list. When your testing is complete and you're ready to go live, return to the Customer Portal settings and click the button labeled Turn On to enable Customer Portal for all of your customers. Thank you for watching this video. Check out our help docs for more information and don't hesitate to email us at support@editorder.net for free setup and training.